So hello mga guys, I'm CJ, your man of letters, and welcome to my channel if you are new here guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel if you already my viewers and subscribers. That's my pangmalakas ang intro dahil na-miss ko gumawa ng reaction videos. And for today's video guys, kung napanood nyo na to, alam ko na isa rin kayo sa mga na-excite sa release na ito dahil magkakaroon ng Philippine adaptation ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na pinagbidahan ni na Park Min-young at ni Park Seo-joon. And tignan natin itong inilabas na official trailer ng View for the What's Wrong with Secretary Kim starring Kim Pao, di ba? Grabe yung hatak ng Kim Pao sa linlang eh. And hopefully na madala din nila ito sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So guys, panoorin natin to at samahan nyo ko. Tara, let's go! So heto na guys.
This is beyond the crisis.
What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
Relax, Zen. Breathe in.
Alright, eto si Kim.
May I introduce to you our young and dynamic boss, Mr. Brandon Manansala Castillo.
Okay. Wait. Hindi ba ano to? Hindi ba kinuha yung name nila for the Tagalized version ng Kapamilya Novelas, yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Alam ko may other name sila dun na ginamit eh. And dito ay hindi nila inadopt yung name nila. Unlike sa mga adaptation ng GMA sa mga K-dramas din nila na kung ano yung Tagalized name nila ay ganun din yung name nila for the live or the remake or the adaptation. Dito iba, parang stand-alone na name sila. Yes? Let's go.
Who do I need to fire?
After 9 years, sabi ko nga po, perfect po kayo.
I look perfect.
Resignation letter ko po.
Okay, that scene. Okay.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
This is the end of an era.
Nag-resign na po ako.
Sa pag-resign ni si Kim.
Ang cutie.
Bro.
Oh, she's not just my secretary.
You can't let her resign.
Well, in fairness, yung comedic side ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, na-feel ko din siya dito sa Philippine adaptation. Good sa pag-arte ni Kim dito. Talagang very natural din na komedyante.
There's always a reason why people leave. If you want to stop them, find that reason.
Don't worry, Mom.
So, chasing arc. Alright, sige.
What?
Not you. Her. Are you still serious about leaving?
Kahit nabigyan niyo po ako ng 1 week leave, pagkatapos po nun, back to normal ulit. Wala na naman po akong time to mingle, to meet my boyfriend.
OMG! Yung chemistry nila dito, di ba? Damang-dama mo sa on-screen. Grabe on-screen chemistry nila.
You can't date.
Why not?
Secretary Kim! Just stay away from my secretary. She's off limits.
Yes!
Siya bro. Kaya halos tumambling dyan para lang hindi siya mag-resign, di ba?
Ang cute nila, Gagi.
Date, sasama ka?
Copy po, boss.
You're my most trusted person. I realized that you deserve more.
Hindi ko madama yung Korean vibes, pero nadadama ko na, well, ganun talaga kasi adaptation to ng Filipino adaptation to ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, I think na natural lang talaga na hindi natin maramdaman yung K-drama feels. Pero alam mo yun, yung mga telenovelas natin na yung feels na may kilig at rom-com na Filipino atake, ganun. Ganito yung nararamdaman ko sa may What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Goods?
You deserve more.
View Original and ABS-CBN Studios and Dreamscape.
In love ko ba sa boss mo?
In love agad! Litong-lito na po talaga ako sa mixed signals ninyo. Kaya, let's stick to our own boundaries.
Sheesh!
Paano kung ayoko? Just stay here. I'm gonna love you from now on.
Movie type, movie feels. Kudos. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Alright.
I think we should call him...
Karabay?
Streaming starts March 18. Alright. Grabe, cute. No? Huy, in fairness, grabe, napaka-cute anong actingan nila dito. Yung on-screen chemistry ng Kim Pao, diba? From Lin Lang, and even dalang-dala nila dito sa may What's Wrong with Secretary Kim Philippine adaptation, diba? I love the way na hindi ko naramdaman yung K-drama feels, pero pinaramdam nila sa atin yung version talaga ng para talaga sa Pilipino, diba? From the cinematography, alam mo na ganun yung mga color grading ng mga lab scenes dito sa Pilipinas and even sa mga movies natin, di ba? No doubt tayo sa comedic side ni Kim Chiu. Dahil alam mo yun, di ba? Very park minyang talaga yung atake niya dito. Kaya kudos doon. And yung charisma talaga ni Paolo Abilino ay hindi pa rin nagbabago talaga, guys. Ever since, di ba? Para siyang habang tumatanda yata ay, alam mo yun, di ba? Parang yung taste niya is level up din. You know what I'm saying, guys? Parang ganon. And much awaited din to sa release ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. And let's see sa mismong airing niya sa March 18. And ayun, guys, napanood niyo ba to? Yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim official trailer ng View. Anong masasabi nyo, guys? Let me know sa my comment section. So kung may mga recommendations kayo, guys, or suggestions that you want me to do a reaction video, you may comment it down, guys, sa my comment section. At kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. Once again, guys, this has been CJ, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Bye-bye, guys!